screenshot? Okay, I'll show you the screenshot. Wait. Click here to get the older message. Yes. This one. This one. Have you gone through it?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I went through this with you.
So what happened?
Yeah, you were saying like
On this side, I added, subtracted, multiply by 2, divide by 16, taken square, taken root, multiply by -1, divide by -2, reciprocal. For all this, equality will not have changed, right? Same operation I've done this with a different number, right? Taken both ones there. So here, added 7, subtracted 6, multiply by 2, divide by 2, square, result, square root, no problem at all, right? But whenever I multiply by the negative number or divide by the negative number, the inequality changes. Clear?
yes.
The more number will become less number will become more number. So less
More
than will
number.
become greater than will become less than. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this much is clear. Now how to solve inequality? I told you inequality unless and until you multiply or divide by negative number, it will work as it is as a equality. Correct? It will
Yes,
not
sir.
have any effect. Right? So when you say equality, when you change the transposition or when you do both the operation on both sides, unless and until you multiply with negative number or divide by the negative number, you will not have any effect. Correct? Now we'll solve directly the questions, right? Let's solve. Okay. Now here, what you have? What it says, first all are very simple. Okay. I'll just solve one of the question for each of them. Find the result in inequation when this inequation is already given. Correct? So what do you do? 10 is added each side. So what it says? 4x minus 3 plus 10 is less than 2 plus 10. So what do you get? 4x minus or plus 7 less than 12. That's it. Done. This is your answer.
Oh.
Because what they are saying resulting in equation. They are not asking you to do any addition or find the value of x. Correct?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
So here also subtract. 7 is subtracted from. Then you say multiply by 4. So you multiply this whole bracket by 4. So it is 4, 3x minus 5 less than equal to 2 into 4. Right? So you get 12x minus 20 less than equal to 8. That's it. Done. If you multiply only with this 3x, then your answer is wrong. Clear?
Yes.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When each side is divided by 6. Now, when you divide by 6, what will you do? 8x plus 3 divided by 6 is greater than equal to 13 upon 6. बस इसको छोड़ दो ऐसे ही. Don't do anything else. After this, you don't have to require anything. They don't expect you to do find x or y or anything, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see here, the second question. So I've solved all of this. So hope everybody has understood. किसी का doubt है? नहीं होगा. अच्छा, those who have done, they've gone wrong. Please tell me. So at least I will understand where you have gone wrong. ठीक है? Now what says? In the replacement set, you want to find all this and you have to pick the value from this replacement set, right? The answer is called as a solution set. And from where you want to take it, this is called as a replacement set, correct? So you replace this set from this value. So now now this is given it. So you don't have to tell me whether x is integer or whole number or a fraction or a real number, nothing. Because you're going to replace it. You have to always look at from this, yeah, right? Suppose you want to wear something, you have to go for a party or you have to go anywhere else, right? Okay. So what do you do?
Hmm.
What will
Sir,
do?
sir,
हाँ
so the solution set has to be greater than all of these numbers.
wait, I'm coming to solution set. Wait ना, अभी मैं तेरे को example दे रहा हूँ. You tell me ना. Suppose you want to go for a party, right?
हाँ.
Correct?
Hmm.
Hmm.
And you want to wear something. So what you'll do?
हाँ. We will choose what to wear.
कहाँ से?
Wardrobe,
Wardrobe. तो तुम कहाँ देखोगे?
bedroom.
अरे wardrobe है ना तुम्हारा.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Hmm.
You will look
Wardrobe
into
में
the
तो कह रहे हैं.
wardrobe.
You will show in a wardrobe, right? So
Hmm.
whatever clothes you have, you will select any one from this, right?
Hmm.
Or
Hmm.
you will have select two, jacket ले लो या t-shirt ले लो या jeans ले लो, whatever belt you want to take it. So you take a pick up from these values, right? Whatever you want to take, right?
हाँ.
Yes.
So this is your replacement. You are replacing your clothes from this replacement set, right?
Hmm.
Which you don't have anything. How will you take it, right?
Hmm.
Now whatever you wear, it will be more than what is there in wardrobe or less than what is there in wardrobe.
Less than.
तेरा आंसर मिल गया देवांश.
हाँ.
Hmm.
Solution set will be always less or equal to this set. It cannot be more. More कैसे होगा? इसमें से replacement set ज्यादा कैसे होएगा?
नहीं
Correct?
सर, मेरा मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि मतलब solution set has to consist of these numbers.
Anything out of this, whichever satisfy the condition, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
So now you have solution set here.
Hmm.
What will satisfy here? -4, -3, -2, 1, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Correct? All
Hmm.
these value will satisfy this condition. Correct?
Hmm.
So this is solution set for this, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Now here, what you say, here you have to solve this, right? It is x is greater than 3, right? So here you get a solution set of 4 and 5. Khatam. Correct? Now what you need to do here? X is less than -1. तो क्या होगा? ये वैल्यू आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Here what will happen? X is greater than or equal to 3. Correct?
Hmm.
So what do you get? You get this as solution set because 3 is also included into this, right?
हाँ.
तो पहले तुमको इसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद सॉल्यूशन सेट लिखना पड़ेगा. सी हियर यू कैन डू डायरेक्ट. Here also you can direct. Here you have to solve first. Find the value of x. Here also you have to solve. Here also you have to solve, right? Here what will happen? X is less than equal to 1 -1, right? Because it is 1 upon 2. When I take this 3 upon 2, when I take this, it will be -1, right? It will become -2 upon 2, correct?
Hmm.
So it will become -1. So less than equal to -1, you'll get all these values. Clear?
Yes.
So it is solve all of this.
Hmm.
Now find what is if the replacement set is equal to set of the whole number between -2 to 6. Find the solution for this. अब उसने क्या किया है? नहीं दिया है वैल्यू, राइट? तुम्हारा पहले रिप्लेसमेंट सेट. मेक अ रिप्लेसमेंट सेट फर्स्ट. व्हाट इज रिप्लेसमेंट सेट विल बिकम?
-2. नहीं, -1, 0, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5.
5.
Correct? Because it says between. Between means this value need not be considered. Correct?
Hmm.
Should not be
Yes.
considered. This, right? Now
If
it
it
says,
was, then it would be from -2.
sorry?
If it was -2 and 6, it would be from -2
Yes.
and
If it is from and to, then you have to take both the numbers, right?
Hmm.
Correct. Now you have to find the solution set for this. What is the answer for this?
mm, mm, 5. Uh, Sir, I don't know.
Sir. 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 Sir.
Yes, beta.
Is it 3, 2, 1, 0 and -1?
अब उल्टा जाएगा तू. पाकिस्तान से आया है। -1 0 1 2
अच्छा
and
सॉरी
3, correct?
हम्म
Here, if you see this
हम्म
qualifying criteria क्या है, you get -4 also, -3 also, -2 also, right? In this condition. But since यहाँ पे ये condition, ये these numbers are not qualifying in the replacement set, correct है?
हाँ
तो ये नहीं आएगा, correct है?
हम्म
Got this point?
यस
Very good. ठीक है, next solve करो पहले इसको। 2x greater than equal to 5 plus 3, because what you are doing, you are adding, you are not you are not dividing or multiplying, so inequality will still remain the same. It is 2x will be greater than equal to 8 and x will be greater than equal to 4, correct?
4 यस
Now here whatever solution set you have, you get what? 4 and 5 is
4
the only value, correct? समझ में आ गया?
यस
Is everybody clear?
यस
Yes, sir.
Anybody doubt?
नो सर
No, sir.
सर कैन आई गो टू द वॉशरूम
Yes. Okay. So here also you have natural number, whole number, or integer. This will give you only whole number and integer unless it is be pattern. They will not use real number or rational numbers, right? Because real number, rational number have infinite values in between two whole numbers. So usually they will use only for the solution set. They will use only whole number, integer, or a natural number, right? Clear? They will ask only 3 sets, right?
Yeah.
Now this one you can solve, right? This one I don't have to tell you, right? Next class mein I am going to check the answers for this, right? Now I am going to teach you when sometime you have variable on both sides. कौन है? किसका आवाज आ रहा है? किसकी मम्मी चिल्ला रही है?
हाँ
Whose mom is shouting? Mishka?
No, not mine, sir.
Shirin?
Sir, my mother is not at home.
Oh, Aditya?
No, sir.
मेरी भी नहीं हूँ सर
कौन? किसी का तो आवाज आ रहा था। दर्श, your mom?
I think it might have been.
ठीक है। In equality by solving, correct? Now what will happen when you have variable on both sides, correct? What will do when you have variable on both sides?
Sir, you move it to the other side and like if it's negative number, make it positive. And if it's positive number, make it negative.
Very good. ठीक है. But you have variable on both sides. Then what will you do? This is what any which is we are doing, right? This is any which is doing. But what if there are variable on both sides here? Check this. Question number 7. You have here also, here also. Here also you have number, here also you have number. Then what will you do? This is an excellent classic example, right? So 5 minus 2x greater than equal to x minus 12.
So then you can do 3x equals 5 plus
ये
12.
पहले equal नहीं है डार्लिंग ये.
No, 3x.
How, where you will move what?
You move to minus 2x to the right. And then it'll be 3x because it's going to be a plus. And then you do, you put 12 on the left. So it's 5 plus 12.
Okay, correct. Now, usually we want variable on left hand side, right? Correct.
यस
Yes.
We want our aim is what? Very good. Darsh, video बंद. देवांश, video बंद है. Mishka, video बंद है. Shirin, audio बंद है.
सॉरी सर
सॉरी क्या, मिश्का ने बोला कि उसका ये थोड़ा डाउन है इंटरनेट, तो ठीक है, राइट, क्लियर. Now, if I put it here, what will happen? If I take this x here and if I take this here, what will happen? Minus 2x minus x. First of all, you may forget to write this minus. That is first error it can happen, right? You may not write this minus here. You will just say 2x and minus x. So here you will go wrong. If you don't make this mistake, you get 3x greater than equal to minus 17, right? Now what you do next time, whenever you do it, what do you say? X is minus 17 divided by minus 3 and you get 17 upon 3, correct? Now what I should put here?
Is greater, at least greater than.
9. Because here I am dividing by minus 3. So here I will have less than equal to, correct? This is the second time you will make a mistake. So whatever you want to do it, make sure that this is requirement, but is secondary requirement. First requirement क्या है? Variable should be positive. As far as possible, avoid doing negative multiplication or division, because you know there is only one way you will possibly create a problem, right? So
Yes.
whether it is left hand side or right hand side, it does not matter for you, right? Understood? So how thus said, do this first, right? Check the way. See, number positive and negative, we are not bothered, right? Because what we are doing algebra, right? So algebra, we have to focus only on variable. Now we take, it is not 2x, it is minus 2x. And here it is x, right? This minus is of 12, not for x. So what you do? Minus 2x will go here on this side, which will be 5. This minus 12 will come on this side, right? So it will minus 12 will become plus 12. The sign will remain because I am doing addition subtraction. It will not have any effect on the value. So what do you get? 17 greater than equal to 3x. Now at this point, if you want to change, you can change this or you can do at that, right? So 17 divided by 3 is greater than equal to x. You can write answer like this also, or it is preferable that write the answer into this format. When you change from LHS to RHS, the equality will reverse, correct?
Yes.
If you read from this side, what will you read? X is less than equal to 17 upon 3, correct? So you reverse the sign at the end. Now you want this 17 upon 3 will be what? It will be 5 point something, right? 5(2) upon 3, correct?
Yeah.
So what do you need to do? Make a solution set is what? X is less than equal to, and it's a whole number, right? So you get 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Correct?
Yes.
What? Yes. 5 भी तो आएगा.
Yeah. Well,
Because
yeah.
x is less than 5 point something, right? So 5 is a whole number, na?
Yeah, because like 17, 3 goes into 17 5 times will be 5.
Sorry?
3 goes into 17 5 times, so it'll end at 5.
हाँ नहीं तो end fine is this is you got this number ना, you convert it into fraction format, right?
Yeah.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Who?
Devansh.
Okay. अच्छा तो यहाँ पे if I put in decimal, okay, if you don't understand this, if I want to convert in a mixed fraction, you will get this, right? If I convert x is less than equal to 5.6666 आएगा, right? Yes or no? Correct. मतलब 5 is 5.6 भी हो सकता है, 5.5 भी हो सकता है, 5.4 भी हो सकता है, 5 तो definitely होगा, right? Anything less than this or equal to this will be 5, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And what qualify for the whole number? Whole number qualify starts from 0 and x is less than, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will also qualify, right? 6 will not come. Correct?
Yeah.
Got it? Any doubts?
No.
पक्का?
No, sir.
Pakka.
Sure? Now you know how to solve these inequalities. This is I showed you with the two variables, right?
Hmm.
Now there is something called as double inequalities, right?
Hmm.
Okay. What are double inequalities? When you have one variable or multiple variables with the two inequalities in it, right? इधर two inequalities का option नहीं बेटा. मिश्का,
Huh?
you have any two double equalities का example? चलो, I'll make some, right? तो यहाँ पे 10 क्वेश्चन है, ये कर लोगे अभी अपना 50% तो मैंने क्लास में ही सॉल्व कर दिया, राइट?
Sir, I have one doubt.
क्या डाउट?
Sir, question 2 का जो last वाला है वो वाला नहीं समझा.
है, वेरी गुड. इसके लिए तुम लोग ना प्रॉब्लम करते हो, राइट? इसमें क्या है करने के लिए? यहाँ पे 3/2 प्लस समथिंग लेस देन इक्वल टू समथिंग, करेक्ट? इफ आई पुट इट हियर, फॉरगेट अबाउट द फ्रैक्शन. यहाँ फ्रैक्शन है, इसको देखो ही मत, राइट? आई सम वैल्यू हियर and some value here, right? Correct? So if I put this here, what will happen? X is less than equal to some value minus some value, right? So you don't know how to 1/2 minus 3/2 कैसे करने का नहीं आता है?
आता है.
क्या आएगा आंसर?
सर नेगेटिव में लिख सकते हैं.
लिख सकते हैं मतलब क्या है? इंटीजर करा है ना मैंने,
हाँ.
तो
सर लिखना
नेगेटिव नहीं आ
पड़ेगा.
सकता है. ये क्या है? ये क्या है इधर?
अच्छा, ओके
ये कौन है? शंभू है?
-4 है वो.
हाँ, ये तेरा भाई है? ये तेरी मम्मी है?
नहीं,
ये तू है? फिर सब तो नेगेटिव है ना, तो फिर नेगेटिव लिख सकते हैं मतलब क्या है?
-2 अपॉन -2.
करेक्ट. तो -2 पर -2 कितना होता है?
-1.
करेक्ट. कौन बोला 1? कौन बोला 1?
मैं नहीं बोला.
तू ही बोला.
मैं नहीं बोला, सच्ची में नहीं बोला.
तू ही बोला 1. तेरा आवाज पहचानता हूं मैं.
अरे नहीं बोला 1.
वही तो बोला 1. कौन बोला? आदित्य तू बोला क्या? आदित्य?
हाँ सर.
हाँ तो बोल फिर. मैंने बोला, ठीक है. इट इज -1. करेक्ट हो गया सर. इसमें क्या समझाने का तेरे को? करेक्ट.
Yes.
फ्रैक्शन, डेसिमल, ऑल दिस डोंट गेट अफ्रेड ऑफ दिस, राइट? सिंपल रखो, उसको कन्वर्ट करो. इम्प्रॉपर देखो अभी नाउ व्हाट आई सोल्ड, इसमें क्या है? यू व्हाट इज
नाही जायचं. पावसात दिवसात पाठवणार नाही मी.
अरे
सॉरी सर मेरे घर.
सॉरी मत बोलो, मम्मी को बोलो आवाज कम करे, मेरा क्लास चल रहा है. नहीं तो फिर मम्मी के क्लिनिक पे जाके मैं आवाज करूंगा. समझा?
मम्मी का क्लिनिक नहीं है, हॉस्पिटल है.
तो
मतलब
hospital-
हॉस्पिटल में काम करती है.
हाँ तो हॉस्पिटल में आवाज करूंगा जाके. मैं बोलूंगा अच्छा मेरे क्लास में आके आवाज करते, मैं उसके क्लास में जाके आवाज करूंगा.
2 मिनट रुको सर.
बोल दो मम्मी को, सर बोले तुम्हारे वहां पे आवाज करने आ रहे हैं सर. ठीक है, क्लियर है? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नाउ आई विल गिव यू समथिंग व्हिच इज डबल इनइक्वालिटीज, राइट? व्हाट डू यू मीन डबल इनइक्वालिटीज? यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं है. ओके. I am opening my whiteboard. I'll create some question, so you'll get a double inequalities, how to solve them, right? Okay. Mishka, you have some sample questions or double inequalities?
No, sir, we don't have the topic of double equalities in school.
तो तूने क्या बोला? You wanted me to solve double inequalities, right?
No, sir, I didn't say that.
इसलिए तो बोला था सर डबल इनइक्वालिटीज आएगा तो कैसे करेंगे. चलो I'll show you some. Because it is too early for you. In fact, inequality is only one ahead, but then double inequalities is even one level up. But I'll just teach you this, right? Chalo. I'll write this as a 2x plus y is less than equal to x minus 3 less than equal to x minus 9 डिवाइड बाई 2, करेक्ट? ठीक है, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
अब तुमको लिखना है फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ फाइंड, अब मेरे को मालूम नहीं कैसे आएगा, राइट? आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग इट सिंपल, राइट? आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग एनी रैंडम नंबर, राइट? फाइंड द रेंज ऑफ x, correct, which will satisfy this condition, correct? Now यहाँ पे I'll just put 1, I'll put it less than 1, I'll put less than equal to, right? So what do you do? First you take this, so we'll get 2x plus 5 less than equal to x minus 3, correct? What do you
Yes.
get? 2x minus x is less than equal to 8, correct? Or 5 plus 3 plus minus 3 minus 5, correct?
Hmm.
है ना? So what do you get? X is less than equal to minus 8, correct? Then you take this 2. X minus 3 is less than x minus 9 divided by 2, correct? How will you solve this? You will take these 2 first on this side. It will become 2 into bracket x minus 3 less than x minus 9, correct? What do you get? 2x minus 6 is less than x minus 9, correct?
Hmm.
Now you get x here, that is 2x minus x is less than minus 9 plus 6. So get x is less than minus 3, correct?
Hmm.
है ना?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अब तुम्हारे पास गड़बड़ हो गया, क्या हो गया? ये -8 है, ये भी ग्रेटर देन है, ये भी लेस देन इक्वल टू है, सो इट विल नॉट वर्क, राइट?
Yeah, needs
So,
to be
I have to
less.
do something change, right? I have to change something, right? Correct or no?
Hmm.
So what I'll do is I'll make some modification here to suit our equation, right? What's this? Correct? X is less than 8, equal to it, right? And I will do here some changes here. Less everything will remain as it is, right? Correct?
Hmm.
What it says? X
X.
is greater than -3,
Yes.
less than equal to this. So what will happen? The equation will become -3
Yes.
less than x greater than equal to 8. Correct? ये तुम्हारा solution, right? Clear? So first I took this and then I took this one. Correct? So this red one, the red box, I have taken here to solve, and this blue box, I'll take blue box here.
Hmm.
This is called as double inequality solving, right?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
And this is a solution for this, which is the range for x, right? This is, you may not get it, but agar aaya, this will give you in IG or ICSE or CBSE, any board. This inequality will come like this, right? ठीक है, सर तुमको आना चाहिए solve करने के लिए. So that time, if you are with me, I'll teach you again, no problem. Correct? Inequality, you have to remember only one thing. Correct? That if you multiply or divide by negative number, your inequality reverses. Correct? That is only thing you have to remember, right? And second time, when the inequality reverses, when you change the left hand side to right hand side, right? Then inequality changes. Or fourth one, if you take a reciprocal, which is very rarely, I don't think it will be asked to you, but still I'll give you an idea when you want to do this. Whole, it is taken a reciprocal, then the inequality changes, reverses. It is not changing, it is reversing, right? Correct? Got this point clearly? ये तो अलग आया, तो पहले वाला है, अभी वाला किधर है? अच्छा, अभी वो प्रोसेस करेगा पूरा, ठीक है। चलो, तो मीन वाइल आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग हियर इन इक्वालिटीज reverses when multiplied or divided by negative numbers. Second point, if reciprocal taken on
Sir,
both.
we can't see your screen. It's
No problem, because you are showing the whiteboard, na? I'm just writing it on your WhatsApp, right? And I'll write it on the whiteboard also. On both sides, rarely used, right? And third one is when LHS and RHS interchange. Correct? Right. I'm writing it here. You can copy this, although I send it on the WhatsApp. But I'm just writing it here. You can copy. Copy कर लो, right? Inequalities reverses when first point multiplied or divided by the negative numbers. Correct? If reciprocal taken on both sides, very rarely used, and when LHS and RHS interchange, right? LHS become RHS and RHS become LHS, तो interchange होगा, right? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, clear inequalities?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts till date?
No, sir.
ये भी पूरा एक बार कॉपी कर लो if you want, right? Do you want to copy this?
No.
एक बार अपने बुक में लिख दो, तो at least you will know what exactly how need to solve. Okay? Just write. Give me. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Write it down with a question.
अजित सर गेलेत.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
देवांश
ठीक है, got it?
Yeah.
चलो, so I'll share my screen again with the book, right? And list down the topics what we have. Okay. Okay. So we have done number. Okay. Everybody can see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I'm just marking it, right? We have done this. Okay. Let me check it little down. Okay. We'll list down. Okay. Number system we have done. Estimation done. Number listing done. Natural number done. Negative number done. Sets done. Fraction done.
Yes, sir.
Decimal done.
Yes, sir.
Playing with number done.
Yes.
Ratio proportion done.
Yes.
Yes.
Percentage done.
Yes.
No.
We have done the practice also, right? Speed
Hmm.
distance time not done.
No.
Fundamental concept algebra done.
Yes.
Yes.
Practice pending, right?
Yes.
No.
I have to then practice live class, right? Fundamental concept of operation. Acha, this we have already solved, na? This so we have already done. ठीक है, चलो, we'll check the answers because this is we have done live in the class. Fundamental operation is pending, but we'll still check, right? Chapter 13. Fleming algebraic expression, simple equation. Okay, we have done inequalities also, which is not there, right?
Hmm.
Other than then, what we have done?
Sir.
Construction done?
No.
Circle done?
No.
So after this, nothing is done, right?
No, sir. We have done chapter 17 and 18 also.
Correct. That is what I mean. Fundamental concept of geometry we have done. And 18 also done. I think data handling also we have done. Yeah, not
Sir, we have not solved the sum.
for data handling ना.
Yes.
But मैंने cover तो किया ना.
Sir, we did chapter 16 as well.
16 कौन सा है? Simple equation. नहीं, simple equation तो I just brief you because I wanted to take inequalities. But that I'll take it very much in detail, right? So that is okay. Yeah, I'm just writing this. Now you tell me किसके class में क्या आने वाला है. You tell me the chapters what they are running in the class. Accordingly, I'll take.
Sir, integers.
Integers तो करा दिया ना. Integer कितनी बार कराऊं तेरे को भैया मैंने?
Sorry. Sir, शायद से
एक मिनट,
exponents आने
इंटीजर
वाले
करा दिया
हैं।
मैंने, नहीं कराया?
सर किया है।
ये क्या है? नेगेटिव नंबर इंटीजर्स पूरा चैप्टर कराया है.
सॉरी सर
क्या है?
सर
सर.
शायद से मेरे क्लास में एक्सपोनेंट्स पढ़ाने वाले हैं।
हाँ तो पढ़ाने दो, जब पढ़ाएंगे तो पढ़ाऊंगा. ठीक है. एल्जिब्रा चैप्टर 13, राइट? चैप्टर 13 फंडामेंटल कंसेप्ट. फंडामेंटल कंसेप्ट्स, करेक्ट? ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल से चैप्टर 13 and 14 will take. Okay. What things you are running in your school? You tell me. Out of this chapter, what all things next you are taking in the class? If everything is covered, okay, then I'll take 13, 14, 15 and 16 in line. If nothing is pending for your exams, right? So I'll take 13, 14, 15, 16. It will take me 4 sessions, which is 2 weeks, right? I'll revise all this and then we'll do speed distance time. So from 12 to 16 we'll do it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So anybody has something in your school, you tell me. फटाफट बोलो. Right?
Everything is covered in the class.
Whatever is there in your school, everything is covered, right?
Yes.
ठीक है. So for next week, before Navratri, okay, we'll finish algebra complete and speed distance time. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Mishka,
Yes.
you don't have anything pending in your school schedule, right?
No.
ठीक है. चलो. And I'll finish the whole portion. Okay, in between after this, okay, we'll see data handling का कराना तो कराएंगे. We'll see IMO, right? From October, I'll start with the IMO because IMO is there in November, ना? Who is giving IMO?
Tell me.
कभी है तेरा एग्जाम?
सर जब भी होता है नवंबर में है पर
है जब भी होता है ना, 3 बार होता है. ये अक्टूबर में होता है, नवंबर में होता है, दिसंबर में होता है. तेरा कब है?
नवंबर है.
हाँ. ओके. देवांश, आर यू गिविंग?
No.
क्यों?
सर मैं आईएमओ छोड़ दिया.
क्यों छोड़ दिया? किससे बोला छोड़ने के लिए?
सर अरे सर नॉर्मली भी ये कैचअप नहीं हो पाता
क्यों नहीं होता है?
उनका.
रजिस्टर करो. रजिस्टर करो.
हाँ ना सर, सुनो ना.
सुनो ना, रुक जा. पहले रजिस्टर कर. मम्मी को पहले मैसेज दे, मेरा आईएमओ और आईपीएम रजिस्टर
हाँ
करने का.
हाँ हाँ. सुनो
पहले
तो.
बोल, बाद में बात. ओके. आदित्य, तू?
सर हमारी डेट फिक्स नहीं करी अभी तक.
ठीक है. नवंबर के पहले नहीं ना?
नहीं पता सर.
ठीक है. ओके. मिश्का, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
हमारे स्कूल में जब ये ऑप्शन आता है रजिस्टर करने का तभी मैं करूँगी.
क्या बोल रही बेटा?
हमारे स्कूल में जब भी आएगा ऑप्शन रजिस्टर करने के लिए तभी मैं करूँगी.
लेकिन आता है ना, तुम्हारे स्कूल में आता है ना यूजुअली?
हाँ.
हाँ, ठीक है. बट इधर में
सर सुनो
लास्ट ईयर
ना.
ऑल्सो यू गिव, राइट?
हाँ, लास्ट में मुझे फर्स्ट प्लेस मिला था.
है, क्या बात है. चॉकलेट भेजा नहीं तूने मेरे को? तूने वीडियो भी नहीं भेजा बेटा मेरे को अभी तक तेरा डांस का.
सर
हाँ, बोल.
सर मेरे को ये मैथ्स के पेपर में 74 मिला.
आउट ऑफ?
80.
फेल हो गया बेटा तू तो. 6 मार्क, 6 मार्क्स.
सर थर्ड हाईएस्ट इन क्लास.
अरे थर्ड हाईएस्ट ही नहीं, तू फर्स्ट आ लास्ट टाइम, मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई वांट 80 ऑन 80.
हाँ सर, कम लिख के आया था मैं.
क्यों कम लिख के आया था? इंक खत्म हो गई थी, पेन खत्म हो गई थी, पेपर खत्म हो गया था, क्या हो गया था?
पेपर खत्म हो गया था.
पेपर खत्म हो गया तो कम क्यों लिख के आया?
मतलब 3 पेज थे पेपर के लिए, मैं 10 पेज लिख के आया.
तो क्यों लिख के कम आया?
हम्म.
वाई यू गॉट 6 मार्क लेस, ये बता मेरे को.
सर कुछ एक कैलकुलेशंस में मिस्टेक्स थे और कुछ आंसर्स में. पेपर भेजने बोलता हूँ मम्मी को.
मम्मी को मत भेज. पेपर ले, मम्मी का फोन ले, स्कैन कर और भेज. मम्मी को क्यों बोलेगा? मम्मी पास और कुछ काम नहीं किया?
नहीं सर, मम्मी टीवी देख रही है.
तो आराम कर रही ना, हॉस्पिटल में काम करके आई है. ये तेरा काम है, मम्मी का काम नहीं है.
टीवी देख रहा है. मैं खाना खिला रही है.
हाँ, तेरा काम नहीं, तेरा काम है ये. मैम,
सर
आप आराम करो. ठीक है, ये भेजेगा अपने आप.
सर
ठीक है
हाँ.
सर.
सर
हाँ, बोलो बेटा.
I
टेल मी.
have I have a maths competition on 13th
13th of
September.
very early you are telling me, darling. Today we are already on 5th.
Mm,
So you
सर
have
इस
any paper, sample paper to be solved?
No, it's a competition, not test.
नहीं नहीं, competition, but which competition? You have any sample paper?
I don't know what it is. They just said that to come. I don't know anything a lot about it.
ठीक है, चलो. But you have the clear concept, so don't worry. Appear
Hmm.
for it. If you get sample paper, check because still we have time. We have 8 days to go, right?
Hmm.
So if you get any sample paper, try to get it from the teacher. If you get it, you send me. Okay?
सर
Chalo. Yeah, it is very late for you. It is already 9:30, quarter to 10, right? No, it is
It's
10:30.
11 p.m. I mean, it's
11, 10:45. बेटा तू जा. Darsh, you can go. Okay?
bye.
Good night बेटा.
सर
हाँ, बोल.
वो सेकंड का बैच का कितने बजे से कितने बजे?
कौन सा सेकंड बैच?
सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड का बैच.
सेकंड
मंडे से
सैटरडे. सैटरडे 11 o'clock.
11 कब?
सैटरडे
सैटरडे
11 AM 11 PM को कोई रखेगा क्या पाइस, क्या करता है?
अरे नहीं, मेरे को लगा वीकडेज पे 11 इस बस सैटरडे
बस सैटरडे। छूटा
11
है ना
PM।
सेकंड ग्रेड में?
हाँ 11
तू
PM
आने का,
पे
तेरे को
तो।
सेकंड ग्रेड में आने का है?
नहीं नहीं, भाई के लिए
फिर?
पूछ रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
भाई के लिए पूछ रहा हूँ।
हाँ तो आने दे उसको, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
ठीक है, मैं
अब
मम्मी को
अभी लेट
फोन।
इतना, 3 महीने 4 महीने का पूछता है मेरे को।
सर वो थोड़ी है। वो मेरे को नहीं लगता उसको आईपीएम के लिए मम्मी ने रजिस्टर किया है। मैथ्स के लिए रजिस्टर कर
हाँ,
रहे हो।
तेरे लिए भी करेगा। आईपीएम मैथ्स के लिए है बेटा। आईपीएम दूसरे क्लास के लिए है ही नहीं, दूसरे सब्जेक्ट के
अरे
लिए है ही नहीं।
सर वो जरा, वो बहुत लो है मैथ्स में। वो सम को डिफरेंस लिख के आया है।
करेगा ना, तू भी ऐसा ही था। वो इतना बेटर सम और डिफरेंस मालूम, तो प्रोडक्ट और क्वेश्चन लिख के आता।
हाँ
हाँ और क्या।
सर, उनको प्रोडक्ट और
तो
क्वेश्चन
तेरा
है ही नहीं।
उसका 1 मिनट, तेरा व्हाट इज योर बेनिफिट? यू आर एल्डर ब्रदर राइट, तू उसको सिखाएगा ना, तो
हाँ
उसका फायदा क्या होगा? उसको तो मेरे पास आना ही नहीं चाहिए।
सर, मेरे पास टाइम तो होना चाहिए।
टाइम है, बहुत टाइम है। इतना बिजी नहीं,
हम्म,
प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं है तू इंडिया का। ठीक है।
सर पढ़ाई।
अब पढ़ाई करो फिर। पढ़ाई करने में कौन मना करता है? देखो मिश्का को उसकी बड़ी बहन सिखाती है ना मिश्का?
नहीं सिखाती है वो।
हाँ।
वो नहीं सिखाती है।
तू पूछती है उसको सिखाने के लिए?
वो दादर में रहती है, कैसे
अरे
सिखाएगी?
तो ऑनलाइन, अभी मैं कैसे सिखाता हूँ? वो सिंगापुर में रहता है, मैं कैसे सिखाता हूँ? अच्छा लेकिन तू कभी डाउट पूछेगी तो बताएगी ना मिश्री?
हम्म।
ना नहीं बोलती ना कि नहीं सिखाऊंगा
अरे वो
करके, राइट?
मुझको डाउट के लिए पूछती है।
हाँ।
वो मुझको डाउट के लिए पूछती है। मैंने
क्यों?
उसको मेरा साइंस का पेपर भी दिखाया। उसने कुछ मैंने उसका मेरा साइंस सैम्पल पेपर को दिखाया, उसको ही एक भी क्वेश्चन राइट नहीं आया। मैं उसको स्ट्रेस ही नहीं करती कुछ सिखाने के लिए। मैं
तो
मेरी
ठीक है चल।
छोटी बहन को सिखाती हूँ पर
हैं?
मैं मेरी छोटी कजिन को सिखाती हूँ।
हाँ सिखा देना, तो वही बोल रहा हूँ। तो बड़े कजिन का फायदा तो वही होता है, बड़े भाई का, बड़ा बहन का फायदा तो ये होता है, तुम सिखाओ।
सर सर सिखाता नहीं, डाउट्स क्लियर करता हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है। चल सिखाओ उसको, ठीक है। चल बाय।
बाय
मम्मी
सर।
को बोलो मेरे को ऐड करने है, मैं मम्मी को मैसेज करने को बोल, अगर चाहिए तो मैं ग्रुप में ऐड कर देता हूँ मम्मी का नंबर, ठीक है।
ठीक है।
चलो बाय बाय।